Hi guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. As you guys know, every Sunday we do analysis for the entire week. So we're back this Sunday as well as promised. So we will do a quick analysis. So today what we're going to cover, today we're going to do Nifty, Bank Nifty. Obviously, हमने Friday को एक call दिया था on Infosys. So we will be discussing Infosys in detail as well. And we're going to be seeing a very important thing in Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones का भी chart हम एक बार देखेंगे because global factors are definitely going to influence us. Okay, so एक बार मैं Epic Pen खोल लेता हूँ. मैं Epic Pen खोलना भूल चुका हूँ. So basically, as you guys know, in Nifty, this is Nifty spot chart daily. 16,400 is still our major resistance. Okay, we've been moving in this channel itself in a range. Tight volatility hai market mein. Now finally we are seeing some kind of clarity. Abhi main debate discussion ye chal raha hai कि will 16,400 again act as a major resistance and drag the market down. Okay, so totally what we're going to do is we are going to see 3 to 4 possible scenarios what can happen in the market, and accordingly we will be taking our trading decisions. Okay, so first case scenario is what we have 16,400 as the resistance. Currently SGX Nifty is showing 16,435. Okay, 16,435 closing SGX Nifty is showing us currently. Now Monday morning we don't know what happens. Okay, so what is the best case scenario? Best case scenario will be कि we open above 16,400. वो केस में क्या होगा? This red line that you can see is the 21 EMA. 21 EMA का breakout आ जाएगा. ये resistance level जो था 16,400 कब से उसका breakout आ जाएगा. Immediate target that will be opened for us will be 16,651, जहां 50 EMA plus gap filling का target achieve हो जाएगा. Okay, this is looking like the most common scenario. Okay, scenario number 2, what can happen? Scenario number 2 is we open gap up above 16,400 and then we fail, we don't sustain and we fall back into this range. Okay, वो हो गया तो definitely जैसे ही price 16,400 से नीचे गिरेगा, definitely you can understand कि ये एक breakout failure हो चुका है, and then again we will be caught in that range in Nifty. Okay, third scenario is directly we open below 16,400. Okay, in that scenario what will happen is we'll have to see अगर 16,400 का breakout मिलता है या नहीं मिलता. Okay, that will be scenario number 3. And scenario number 4 is we open completely gap down. Okay, which is highly unlikely. Another scenario that can develop, guys, another scenario that can develop is we open above 16,400, एक retracement ले around 50%, I'll give you that level, towards 16,200 का replacement लेके हम breakout दे. Okay, because always remember market में obvious चीजें नहीं होती. Okay, अभी अगर directly if we open above 16,400, मार्केट में सबसे ज्यादा ऑब्वियस चीज क्या है कि हम 16,650 को टच करेंगे. ओके, एज पर चार्ट एवरीवन नोज दिस. इफ देयर इज अ ब्रेकआउट ऑफ 16,400 जो इतने लंबे टाइम से कंसोलिडेशन में थे हम, इफ वी ब्रेक 16,400, 16,650 इज द लॉजिकल टारगेट, क्योंकि उधर गैप भी फिल हो रहा है, एक इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस लेवल भी है एंड 50 EMA भी है. आई डोंट बिलीव कि 16,650 will be, directly वो सबको मार्केट इतना इजी पैसा दे देगी. तो there can be some volatility कि we open gap up, come down, एक retracement level towards 16,200 and then go and hit 16,650. Okay, now an extremely bullish scenario, if suppose the markets start rallying continuously, an extremely bullish scenario, जितना ये range है, if I mark that range, okay, so I'm marking 16,400 से लेके the bottom of the range. Now this is somewhere around 664 points. अगर मैं उसके top से इसको mark करूं, so I am assuming, okay, if I do this, I am assuming this level 17,132 is the maximum we can go right now in the bullish scenario. Why I'm saying this 17,132, because if you see this scenario where we were in a range, we broke down, जहाँ heavy selling आई थी वो selling candle का high है 17,132. Okay, so if we cross 17,132, the entire market sentiment will become extremely bullish. So I don't believe this point can be crossed. Okay, so हमको क्या करना है, एक बुलिश सिनारियो में छोटे छोटे टारगेट्स लेके बढ़ना है. छोटे टारगेट्स में क्या करेंगे हम, फर्स्टली अगर इसका गैप अप मिल गया हमको 16,650 का टारगेट रहेगा. 16,650 पे 50 एंड 200 EMA दोनों है, इट विल बी अ मेजर रेजिस्टेंस. अगर ये हर्डल हमारा पास हो गया, then 17,132 we will be hitting. Okay, in case downside hai, so again we will be stuck in this range. Again, the as per OI data, so let's check out the OI data also. This is the OI data we have. So here you can see 16,300 pe kafi fight hai, and then you have major support at 16,000. Okay, so again we will be, if we fail 16,400 ka breakout, again we will be in this stuck in this range. Right now, another thing that I want to tell you guys is you can see here we were stuck in a range, but here RSI is giving a breakout. Okay, so strength is there, underlying strength is there. That's why since the last 2-3 days, that is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have been constantly telling all our premium members to go on buy side. Don't even look at sell side at the moment. Okay, now the basic thing that we wanted, first retracement towards 16,400, has been achieved. Okay, now it will be a fresh view of where the market will be headed. Okay, our personal bias is obviously towards the long side, but we don't believe कि long side will be directly it will keep rallying towards the long side. There will be little volatility and then hitting 16,650 they will look to trap. Okay, so now if I head to a smaller time frame, so let's check out the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now we have this 15-minute time frame. Now if I am going to take right from the bottom, एक Fibonacci retracement अगर हम मारे, okay, so I strongly believe that, wait, let's do one thing, let's take the latest impulse. ठीक है, latest impulse का लेते हैं, and let's consider थोड़ा हमने gap up 16,435 के आसपास है अभी currently, 16,435 में ही suppose हमने open किया. Okay, I'm just assuming. So then if you see this 38.2% mark, 16,233 से लेके 170, जो 50 to 30, this range. Okay, so I believe the market can open gap up and then come and retest this range and then take off. Okay, ये एक possible scenario हमको दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. Obviously जो future charts पे detailed levels रहेंगे, premium members के साथ free में share किया जाएगा. नॉर्मल फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे उसका लिंक पोस्ट किया जाएगा. यू कैन गो एंड परचेज द एग्जैक्ट लेवल्स. ओके, आवर लेवल्स वर्क लाइक अ ड्रीम. नाउ इफ आई शो यू द future chart, all our levels are as per future charts. So you can see on Thursday the blockbuster call that we had given was right at this support zone. Okay, I'll just shift it to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so right at this support zone we had given a buy call and directly the price went and hit our flip. Okay, so the levels that I share with you guys are extremely important. Now as you know, you can see a resistance zone here. Obviously these levels now will get refreshed. Okay, this was for last Friday. Now coming Monday raat ko we will be sharing the fresh levels. In case you want to join the premium group, we are doing a really fab job, I believe, in the premium group. If you want, pinned comment में आपको Telegram का link मिल जाएगा. Okay, free group का भी और paid group दोनों का आपको link मिल जाएगा. You can definitely join our paid group and enjoy. Now, next, what are we going to discuss? Now we are going to be discussing Bank Nifty. Okay, तो Bank Nifty के daily chart पे आते हैं. Now Bank Nifty में कंप्लीटली अलग सिनारियो है, बुलिश सिनारियो है. ओके, तो बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है, ये जो हमारा गैप एरिया था, एक तो ये कंसोलिडेशन एरिया था, उसका ब्रेकआउट आ गया. गैप एरिया फिल करने के बाद गैप एरिया का भी ब्रेकआउट मिल चुका है बैंक निफ्टी में. सो बैंक निफ्टी इज एक्सट्रीमली बुलिश राइट नाउ. सो व्हाट वी बिलीव इन बैंक निफ्टी इज, इफ Nifty is going to rally from 16,400 to 16,650, or we believe Bank Nifty can somehow try to attempt this gap zone. Okay. Now, when it tries to attempt this gap zone, okay, like here, what is going to happen is we are going to be having this trend line resistance. Okay. This trend zone का resistance हमको इधर कहीं मिलने वाला है. Okay. So this zone, Bank Nifty around 37,000, Bank Nifty can try and attempt if it continues to outperform Nifty. Okay, I believe somewhere down the line, Nifty can show some kind of strength and outperform Bank Nifty. Then Bank Nifty will go into a consolidation move. Right, guys? Immediate hurdle is going to be 36,728 as per daily chart. If we consider the same logic that we considered in Nifty, then the selling candle ka high here is 36,333. That will also act as a resistance for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty का अगर हम open interest देखें, major support is 35,000 and resistance is 36,000. Okay. So I would consider looking at the PCR 1.17. Bank Nifty is extremely positive right now. Now, the major stock that is leading Bank Nifty is HDFC Bank. Okay. अभी HDFC Bank का अगर हम chart देखें, so we are right in the trend zone. Okay. ये जो हमारा trend था एक, जहां हमने multiple times resistance लिया है, वो ही trend zone में है. Good part is we have just crossed the 50 EMA. Okay. तो अगर HDFC Bank में ये trend zone का breakout मिल जाता है, then definitely Bank Nifty is also going to rally. Another important stock, if you see, ICICI Bank has also given a breakout of the trend line on a daily chart, along with 50 EMA ka breakout. So two major banks, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, have given a breakout. Okay, so this tells us that there can be a very good rally in Bank Nifty. Continuation rally Bank Nifty mein is very much possible. Another important thing that I like to show you guys is this is Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is an American index, a very important index for us, for the entire globe, basically. So if you see, Dow Jones had given a daily chart pe breakout of the trend line. Okay, so this is around 2 days back. So this is precisely the point at which I started going extremely bullish on the Indian market, and we started posting in our Telegram group that look for the buy side. Okay, try to hold buy side calls. So this is what we have tried, and we have achieved this. Okay, now the major resistance for Dow is going to be around 34,000. Okay, so little more upside is left, although Dow has not yet crossed the 50 EMA. So if something completely contradictory happens, it can fail to cross the 50 EMA and come down again. Okay, if I have to see the level, अगर मैं एक Fibonacci मारता हूँ, so it has given the breakout of the 50% zone. Okay, so next logical target for us in Dow will be 61.8. तो इतना गैप उसके पास पेंडिंग पड़ा हुआ है. Okay, अगर Dow रैली होता है, definitely I believe Indian market will also not stay behind. So Indian market will also continue its rally. Right now, last but not the least, let us hop on to our Infosys. Okay, now as you guys know, I was strongly believing that IT sector is going to outperform. Okay, so I had a choice between Wipro and Infosys. I went ahead and picked Infosys. Okay, now what is the reason for picking Infosys? Now, सबसे पहले तो what we'll do is we'll go to the monthly chart. We'll understand the bigger picture. Okay, now this is the monthly chart. Now, monthly chart mein, if you see, we are at a crucial juncture of the 21 EMA. Okay, we have 2 days left for the candle to close. So I believe that this candle will close above the 21 EMA. Okay, in the case of Infosys. Now, the overall trend has been positive. Last 2 months, we have seen April and May mein lot of hammering of the IT sector. Okay, the Nasdaq, which is the kind of IT index of US, has crashed badly. It has recovered now. It had crashed badly, and so there was a lot of beating in the Indian IT stocks as well. Now, if we see from the overall trend, okay, we mark a fib from the overall trend. That is, I am talking about the March 2020 bottom से लेके right up to the Jan 2022 high. ये पूरा मैंने फिबोनाची मार्क किया. Dot to dot, we have taken support at the 38.2% retracement level. Okay, dot to dot. So this is a good thing for us. Now, if I move on to the lower time frame, okay, the weekly time frame will give us the same story. Now, if I move on to the daily time frame, okay, now we have this daily time frame. Now, daily time frame पे what we have, we had an inside bar here. Inside bar का हमको एक breakout मिला है, and we have crossed the immediate hurdle of the 9 EMA. We have closed above it. Okay, so as you can see, there was a drastic fall. Now, if in this fall, I mark the retracement of this fall only. Okay, so what you will get is, you will get a level at 1597. Okay, or 1600 आप पकड़ लो. This is the 38.2 first retracement level also, and this will again mark the 50 EMA confluence. Okay, just remember there is also a gap here that is left to be filled. Okay, another thing, if you want to combine here, what you can do is, from this point to this point, I can draw a trend area. Okay, so if I say bare minimum, bare to bare minimum, we go and hit this trend area, which is also the 21 EMA resistance. So bare minimum, you will get a target of 1500. Okay, which is why I gave the call to go and purchase 1460 CE. Okay, so I believe bare minimum you can look at 1500 if you're a safe trader. If you're a little more aggressive, you can look for 1600 also in the June series. Okay, these are going to be our targets. Now, talking about strength in the thing, you can see there has been, right from this point, if we correlate, there has been a fall, but RSI has been, you can say, upward inclining. Okay, if you see from the bottom to here, it has been upward inclining, and here the price has been downward declining. Okay, so RSI is showing us strength, which is positive, along with the other factors, that chart pattern. There is an inside bar breakout closing above 9 EMA. Plus, I have shown you the bigger time frame, the bigger picture on the monthly chart. So all these factors make us bullish on Infosys. Okay, now what if the market reverses? There is one particular stock that I'd like to talk about, is none other than Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, now as you can see, Mahindra and Mahindra was in an extremely bullish scenario. Now I believe it has given a trend line breakout. Similarly, here it gave a trend line breakout, and you can see the rally. Now I personally feel in Mahindra and Mahindra, okay, if I just remove these levels, etc., and I hide them. Now this is the chart, okay, for Mahindra and Mahindra. Now, first of all, if we see in M&M, RSI is giving a negative divergence. Okay, here we have made a new high compared to the previous high, but here we are not making a new high. Okay, that is point number one. Point number two, we are at a major resistance level. Okay, we failed it here. Here we took resistance. Here we did not touch the resistance, and now again we are at the resistance point. Number three is that the chart patterns, and abhi result bhi aaya hai for Mahindra and Mahindra. So I am not liking it. I'm not feeling good about it, although this is not a recommendation or a call. So what we can do is we can mark a trend line here. As soon as this trend line breaks, okay, you will get a very nice trade in Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, a very nice trade in Mahindra and Mahindra on the sell side. Put ke side pe, you will get a very nice trade. So keep this on your radar. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. That is also very important. It helps us a lot, keeps us motivated. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want more such information, etc., you can join our free Telegram group. If you are really interested in trading and taking trading up as a profession seriously, you can join our premium group. You get access to our entire learning course. 6 to 8 hours of very good content explained by me. So you can go ahead, watch the YouTube channel for that. Along with that, you will be added to our premium Telegram group, where we will be supporting you day in and day out, including your personal queries as well. Whatever support you need in the market, we will be giving you that. Right? Cheers, guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow.